Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Future Generation in Mathematics. If you like my videos, you can subscribe it. Today my topic is integration. I think you know what is an integration. Opposite of differentiation. Opposite of differentiation is nothing but integration. We know that how to find area of triangle. Triangle we can find, and also we can find area of rectangle, area of triangle also we can find. How to find like this shape, area? How to find this area? It is very difficult. For this purpose, by using integration we can find like this areas. These are all shaped. This is unshaped curve. Unshaped curves we can find by using integration. What is the formula of integration? How we can do, how you will get integration formula? We will see. First episode we will see. In previous coming episodes we will see problems. This is the first episode for integration. Here this is an x-axis and this is an y-axis. If like this curve is there, how to find area? This area how to find? Means we are dividing like these lines. Some rectangles. We can find some rectangles, no? Here. This is one rectangle. 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 But it is also, but we cannot find this area. Only we can find this area because we know only the formula area of rectangle. Don't know this formula. That's why we are dividing very small. The curve is dividing it very small areas. Very small means it is approximately to 0. Very small areas. It is very approximately 0. Then we'll get rectangle. See here. This is one rectangle. This is one rectangle. Like this. Very small lines. We have to divide into very small lines. We are dividing very small rectangles. Then we can find easily area, no? For this one. This is a rectangle. Rectangle. What is the formula? Area. A1. First one. First area. We are finding. What is an area of first rectangle? Length into, what is a rectangle formula? Length into breadth. What is the length here? Y1. What is the breadth? Breadth is nothing but we are taking width here. What is the width? Because different widths will get here. dx1. Next, A2. Y2. dx2. Second one. Second rectangle. A3. Y3. dx3. Like that. How many terms we are taking? Areas, n terms here. xn and yn is there. Yn and dxn. We are all adding these areas. We'll get, what we'll get while adding these areas? A is equal to a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus so on an. We are adding these all A terms. We can write, adding means we can write summation AI, I is equal to 1 to n terms. We are taking 1, I is equal to 1 means A1. I is equal to 2 means second term. Like that we are taking up to n terms. Means here what we'll get? I will show here. Instead of A1 what we can write? Y1 dx1, y2 dx2, so on yn dxn. We can write summation yi dxi. We can write I is equal to 1 to n, no, here also area. Here instead of, otherwise we can write summation y dx also we can write. Instead of summation we can call it is, we can call, what we can call? Integration. Integration y dx. What you got here? Area is equal to integration y dx. This is an about integration, how you got integration y dx. Here I told previous class, previous video I told what is a differentiation means difference and division. And another one I told, another group what I told? Addition and multiplication. Now here what are you doing here? Addition. We are doing here addition, no? Here we are doing addition. And also we are doing here multiplication. Y into dx, multiplication. Here we are doing multiplication and also here addition. That's why we are, integration means addition and multiplication. Integration is nothing but addition and multiplication. Here we are using operation addition and multiplication, that is nothing but integration. Here in integration we have two types. In integration we have two types. Indefinite integration, definite integration. Here indefinite integration means, I'll tell one example. Integration x cube plus x square into dx. Means we can write what is an integration x cube? X power of 4 by 4 plus x cube by 3 plus c. There is no upper limit and lower limit. There is no upper limit and lower limit. There is no, they didn't given x value and also constant terms. And now what is a definite integration? I'll tell some example, you can understand. They will give for this only x square plus x cube plus x square dx, limits 0 to 1. What will get here? X power of 4. Integration x cube dx formula, x power of 4 by 4 plus x cube by 3 plus c. Limits, what will get? 0 to 1. Here first we will substitute 1. 1 power of 4 plus by 4, 1 by 3 plus c minus upper limit. Here upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit means 0 0 by power of 4 by 4 plus 0 by 3 plus c. What will get here? 1 power of 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. Here minus 0 anything 0. 0. And another one constant. What will get? LCM 4 to 12. 3 plus 4. 7 by 12. 7 by 12 plus c. We'll get the value here like that. Definite value means they will give lower limit and also upper limit. Thank you.